How to get free money on OneXBet. So after downloading your app on your Play Store or Apple Store, you click on register. After you click on register, on this next section you click on phone. After doing that, you input all the necessary information needed here: your country of origin, your name, your currency, your email, and then on the promo code section you input the promo code Chelsea TV. After you input the promo code Chelsea TV, OneXBet will give you a 300% bonus of the first deposit, which means when you deposit $10,000, you get $40,000, and the $40,000 is the free money. So when you use the promo code Chelsea TV on your first deposit, you get 300% bonus on your first deposit, free money, and that's how you get your free money on your OneXBet account. Very easy. And then you go ahead and click on the receive news by email, confirm I'm over 18, and then register, and you're done. Very easy.